Hi there, welcome to the CAMS Math Boost, where you can have some fun and increase your math skills at the same time. This video tutorial is to help you to get around the website. So first, the main page is set up so that you have a menu items across the top, and you also have in the middle this tutorial to help you. So this site is best used in Chrome. If you try to use it in Internet Explorer or Firefox, there's some issues with some links, so I would recommend that you open it in Chrome. On the right hand side of the website is a calculator that works. Just to remember that the button with the two dots is your division button, so you're welcome to use that at any time. At the top of the website is our menu items. We have welcome, outcomes, place value, multiplication, and division. So you basically have to pick which section you're working on to increase your skills. We're going to start with place value. So clicking on that, I'll scroll down and you'll see it'll open up with the title of place value. Now if you go in that window, you can also scroll and see lots of different choices to do, from worksheets, games, study jams, and videos. So I'm going to go back to the top, and I'm just going to start with study jams. If you hover over the blue area, it'll give you some instructions of what you need to do. This one says first click play video and watch a story about place value. When you're done, click test yourself and complete the quiz. Show your teacher your results. So to get into that study jam, you're just going to click this link button and it's going to open up in a window. If it opens and it looks like this, which is a little bit small, you're going to click on this little I button at the bottom, and then it's going to open up a link. Just click that and it's going to open up in a large window, and here a study jam starts. Basically, you play the video and then you go to test yourself. Now the next part, you just click this X button on the top right, close that, and then you're done that area.
Okay, so next we're going to look at a worksheet. So if you hover over the instructions, you're going to see printing instructions. So it says click on the arrow in the top right corner of the assignment sheet, which is a pop-out. From the pop-out screen, click on the printer, print off the page and complete, submit to your teacher. So first you click on this little page and it will bring you up here. You'll see this pop-out option right here. Click on it. And from there you click on the printer. It shows up in a print screen. Now you have to go File and Print, which I won't do because I'm not hooked to a printer. So then we can just go back to the site and close it off. Now of course if you wanted the instructions, they're in here. But then next we have the YouTube videos. These, if you click on it, it will actually play full screen here for you, or you can do it this way, however you prefer, but it will show up within.
Again, click the X on the top right, takes you back to the main page. The last thing for you to work on that I want to show you is called a thing link. Now how that works is, we'll hover over here just to check it out, follow each of the links within the page. So we're going to click on the link, the page will open, and this is as big as the page actually goes. So even if you go in full screen, this is the size you're going to get. You're just going to get a bigger black piece on either side. So you have place value in relation to decimals. So when you take your mouse over the page, you're going to see these little dots. Each dot is a link. So all you have to do is click on the dot and the link will open for you, and it takes you to where you need to go. We'll just close out of that one. The next link here is the decimal song. Click on the link. We won't listen to the song right now, but that's how you open it up. Pretty easy to work through. Make sure you click on all the dots because they're important and they will support you.
Okay, the last thing we're going to look at is the teacher resources. So for teachers, we've put in extra video tutorials, games, and practice sheets for students. So if you click on here, we'll go to the link. It's got a list of different video tutorials, so different YouTube videos, different options that you can look at for other alternatives for teaching the lessons or giving further information. We've got more games relating to the topic, and then we've got different worksheet generators, some specific worksheets for you to go to, and some more practice sites. So that would be useful if once they've finished the activities that are provided, kids still need more, or if you're just looking for some different alternatives for your class. Now, we won't go through each of the sections, but you'll notice that they are all set up very similarly. The multiplication has the same thing where we're looking at a space here with numbered assignments that you can work through, YouTube videos, games, study jams, different things for you to check out. And the same for the division. And again, all the pages also have those extra teacher resources featured in the bottom right corner so that if teachers need just a little bit more for their classes, they can access it. And again, the instructions will be there for all of them.
For all the teachers out there, if you click on this outcomes in the menu, you'll get along the bottom the outcomes that you'll be working on for multiplication and division and place value. Our hopes with this website and Math Boost is that we'll grow and we'll keep being able to add more resources and whatnot as time goes by, so enjoy.